Hi guys, my name is Dana and welcome to my YouTube channel. I am so excited and so nervous to be doing this, but today we are going to be we're gonna be unboxing something from Louis Vuitton. Okay. I'm not sure if I'm gonna put the name down in the title, if I end up putting the name in the title, so you already know what this is. But we're about to unbox. You're gonna get my review. I'm gonna style it for you guys. Do you see it? Do you see this bag? I am obsessed. I am geeked. But before we get into any of that, please remember to subscribe if you're not subscribed. If you love luxury unboxing, designer unboxings, beauty, travel, all of that goodness, subscribe. This is the page. This is the page where you need to be. You're here. Don't go further. You're here. Subscribe, like, and at the end, definitely comment. And press the bell notifications because I've been doing some serious shopping, so I got some really good videos coming out. I just look at it. It's so beautiful. I'm so excited. So while I'm unboxing this video, I want to tell you a story time on how I got my hands on this extremely difficult item to get. I travel a lot, so I've checked the West Coast, the East Coast, called in stores everywhere, and nowhere had this item. I had it in my wish list on Louis Vuitton, and I would go in and I would refresh it all times through the day, especially because I've been home a lot more because of everything, and I could not get it. So it comes beautiful with a little card note on it. Let's see it. It's just so cute. Okay, let's get into this. What does this say? Oh, this is blank. I guess I'm supposed to write something, so did not know that. Silly mistake. I don't want this video to be too long. I want you guys to came with it. So I know the receipt is in here, so it's like this. So it comes in a little receipt. I did not order this online. I got it in store. I got super lucky. One day I met up with a friend and I was just like, I was inside actually Neiman Marcus, because I'm always checking the popular stores. I'm checking this, I live in New York, so I'm checking Fifth Ave, Soho. I'm checking the popular stores, and I'm not getting it. So I said, you know what, let me try the low one. So I actually was in Roosevelt. Roosevelt Field. Whoa. I was in Roosevelt Field, and instead of going to the actual Louis Vuitton store that was in there, I went into Neiman Marcus, and in Neiman Marcus there's a Louis Vuitton. So this is my receipt. Make sure it's not really in here. Just show you the bag was for tax. Show you that receipt. So it did come with a Neiman Marcus receipt, and then underneath I do have a Louis Vuitton receipt stapled and attached to it. So it did still come in that little piece. We're gonna open up the big one first. So it's beautiful. This is my first time opening it. I don't seen so much reviews where you could take off the bow without messing it up. So this is a huge box. I love it because I'm very extra, so give me the biggest box. There's no problem. But I actually got this box because the store was out of any other size box. So without further ado, there's a little magnet, whatever. Let's just get into it. It's so small inside of this big bag. Can you guys guess what I got? Guess what I got? Okay, it's most likely gonna be in the title, but can you guess what color I got? Now that's the real one. Can you get the color? Can we get into it? So, comes with the dust bag. Comes with the dust bag. Doesn't have a smell. So, this is the Multi Pochette Accessoires. Did I say it right? Did I say it? Oh my God. I saw it in store, but Oh. Oh, so let's get the little one. So she was really nice. I think she saw the extraness in me and she put all my pieces in little ones. I have another little dust bag right here. And inside of here is the coin pouch. Ugh. I'm so excited. Okay. So this is the coin pouch. It has both of the sides. It has the big LV monogram, and what I like, it's a turn so you can wear it either way. And on this side, it has the small monogram print. This is gorgeous. Obviously, gold hardware, and it has the XL. Hopefully this is zooming on each one. So I went in and I asked, I said, do you guys have the Multi Pochette? And she had it, and she had it in both the khaki strap and I think it's Dust Rose, but also the pink strap. And I was so nervous. I'm like, should I get it? Should I not? I was super excited. And what sold me on it is when I looked inside, it said made in France. And I was like, oh, made in France? Definitely need it. So like I said, I've never owned a Louis Vuitton bag before, but I've been doing research and I know the ones that's made in France are made just with a little bit more love. So then, okay. This is the small size of the pochette as well. It has the zip, the hooks, and inside is the gold chain. So that's, what else? And this is a sticker. And here it has the tab and the inside that says made in France as well. So let's get this on it. The chain is actually really nice. The detail's so cute. It says Louis Vuitton on these little tabs right here. It's beautiful. So let's hook it on. I'm actually really excited. In this store, I didn't do any of this. She showed it to me, but I was like, no, I'm saving it for my YouTube channel. I'm doing an unboxing. I'm doing an unboxing. Oh, that's beautiful. Zip it back. And this is the larger one. This is actually really big size. If you guys want to see what's in my bag, a review on it, let me know. I almost got scared. I thought she gave me the wrong color. So I got the khaki one. I got the green one. Yes, I did. I am not really a pink girl, and I feel like this is gonna be easy to match with a lot more of my outfits. The strap is really nice, and inside it has ooh, don't lose anything. I guess this is a care book. Yep. Another little sticker with a code. I guess is the code for the bag. And something like this. But you guys is gonna come here to see all of that. So let's get into what you came here for. That's it. So I believe you can also hook the bag onto the straps like this. I'm trying to show you guys. It on, and then we're gonna hook the strap on to the coin pouch. Go like this, put the little coin pouch and hook it on here onto this tab, and I would wear it like this. So not sure if we do this wrong or wrong, we could fix it. We're gonna learn together. I'm gonna hook on the strap that also has Louis Vuitton detailing right here. And hook this strap on. I'm so excited. Can you guys tell? Can you guys tell? Look at it. Look at it. Look at it's so beautiful. It is so beautiful. And being that this is my first bag, I wanted a bag that can do a lot of things. It can be very versatile. I can switch it up. I love that you can wear this so much ways, and I'm gonna show you a few ways that I'm thinking about wearing the bag, you guys let me know. And honestly, it has the back pocket and the big part, and then it has this really big part. I don't like to carry a lot of stuff, and it has the serial number on the side. I don't carry much stuff, and the fact that this is 2 in 1 plus an extra compartment, I know this is gonna work out. So we're gonna make this strap a little bit longer because I'm a little tall. I got some legs on me, and I would wear it like this. So that means I have to change the strap around. Sorry guys, I would wear it the other way. So I wear my bags. So just gonna, it's simple, just take it off and restrap it. 2 seconds and bam. I would wear my bag. Then I have to definitely loosen that strap. This is gorgeous. How do I look? Do I look like that girl? Do I look like... I feel like my price just went up. I don't know what you guys, but nobody can tell me nothing anymore. Like, I'm in my... Like, you're in your bag? Oh, I am? Oh, okay. Well, I'm in my Louis bag, so I'm okay. I like it here. I love this. Also, this video is in no way of a bragging video, showing out. Listen, luxury is anything that you make it. Treating yourself could be anything from getting your nails done, getting your hair done, anything that you want to make it. I personally, like, I'm in a phase, I'm obsessed with designer bags, and this bag, I have a mirror right here, looks, I can't stand because you guys won't see, but I'm gonna insert some clips of ways to wear this bag, ways to style this bag, and I'm just, you like it? Do you like the bag? Do you see it? Do you guys see it? I'm definitely gonna insert some ways to wear. These are some ways you can wear the bag. Obviously, the normal way, all the straps attached, you can flip it, little side, oh, big side, little side. Love the little side. You can have the gold. Be like I'm here. Then, obviously, you can take off the little coin pouch. Wear it just like this. Then, take it off. Take off the big strap. You're going out, hanging out night with the girls, just like this, and you have a cute little shoulder clutch bag. Holds it in your hand. Little wristlet. So cute. This is so adorable. You can obviously unstrap this from the big pouch. Wear this by itself. Date night, don't really want to carry anything. Hold it, clutch it. Once again, like this. You can take the big one, attach the strap. Attach the strap. You can do this with or without the coin pouch. Attach the strap. You just wear it like this. On the go, if you don't want to bring both. Once again, you could attach the coin pouch, or you can take the coin pouch if you have on jeans or shorts. Attach it to the side. Open it up. turn it into a belt bag. You can wear it as a belt bag 2 different ways. You can strap it. Wear it like this. Tighten it. Give a belt pouch. Take the buckle, the coin pouch. Again, guys, please do not forget to like this video, comment. Are you having a hard time finding a multi-pochette accessoire? Do you have one? Do you love yours? Pros, cons. Let me know what you like to see. Would you like to see what's in my bag, what fits in this bag? Like I said, I'm going to be wearing this bag a lot because my birthday is approaching, so I could do a review, pros and cons. If you are debating, I just like the little purple with the big. If you're debating on getting this bag, get it. If you can find this bag, get it. You will not be steered wrong. I love it. I love it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Once again, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I love you guys. I love you all. Thank you.